like regular push-ups, regular pull-ups, regular crunches.
Don't you got 100 burpee challenge? Go.
Yeah. This is regular burpees. This is nothing. Calisthenics workout complex. We got another guest for you this week, and this one has been this guest on for a while. It's been like a year and a half, right? 2 years.
Favorite country boy checking in, Mr. Painz. Gainz, man. Look, you man about to do some work, baby. I'm here for the show. I'm here for the show, baby. Hey, man, we gonna flex, baby. We gonna show them some things, baby.
Yeah, Painz Gainz.
Show them some things, baby.
Big country boy over here. They call him country.
What's up, baby?
He in the building today.
Your favorite country boy checking in, Mr. Painz Gainz. Look. Long time in the making, baby. I know he been putting y'all through it. Guess something busted his ass today, though.
See, I already tell you now. That I met this dude because he the loudest one in the gym. I don't know why. You see how you hear the music? He over this music. I hear him. So I was like, man, who is this guy? He over there doing crazy stuff. He doing backflips. He on buso bowls. He doing all types of stuff. So, and you know, I'm a calisthenics man. I do calisthenics, a little bit of weight. So today we're gonna do a little bit something different. I'm following him. Whatever he wanna do, we're gonna do it again. Let's have some fun today.
Buso ball here.
See, I told you it's gonna be some BS. Alright. How many sets we doing? How many of I gotta do and how many sets?
3 sets of 10.
3 sets of 10?
Yeah.
So we doing squatting and Arnold joint.
Yep. You gotta get, I can see you get up there.
I had practice first.
That core, you got core.
Oh. So you got
Right.
yes, yeah.
Find that sweet spot.
Alright.
The most important thing, you get up there, breathe and relax.
I keep moving.
You gotta relax. Relax.
Oh, you shaking like a stripper. Alright.
Relax.
So squat first.
Yep. Right. Boom.
Oh.
There you go.
Alright.
Monday.
I probably gotta do it for most time.
There you go. That's all good. Monday.
Legs hurt. Ready?
Ready? I'm gonna hop in there. Let's do it. Ready?
Boy, roll. I ain't stopping. I'm on a roll. Shoot. 6.
Try to balance something in there.
I'm using my legs a lot.
Yeah, you got to focus.
Oh, okay. So I'm focused.
You up here like.
You use your core to hold stuff on your legs.
Yeah.
So I was using too much legs. All right, okay. Well, my legs are burning.
So you gotta think of what, like different, you know, like the old school workouts. Yeah, you feel the burn. Yeah.
See what I'm talking about? All right, so when you do the legs, let's see if we do a core. Nice game.
Go. 1, 2.
Okay. See, how we get there? Saturdays for your
Full body routine.
so calisthenics full body days on Saturday.
So like on Mondays, so like Monday through Thursday I do weight training. So like Mondays I do shoulder and back. Tuesdays I do leg deadlifts, a little bit more back.
Yep.
Wednesday I do chest and arms. Friday leg day, baby. Team No Doritos. Get up that shit.
I'm trying to get my mind together.
Wait up.
That shit hurt for real. I need active.
Wait, what's up without me?
I've been making up shit, I had enough. I've been that nigga since cuffs in my jeans. Shorty, I ain't cuffing you, please get off me. I ain't stunting you, knees, you gon' have a problem. Get your ass snuff shot.
That Jim, come on, baby. That Jim.
Listen, man, that's the first exercise. That's always full body. He just making up exercise now.
This is right. This is you calisthenics. You Mr. Calisthenics.
I'm on, you hopping on the bandwagon. My pants sagging, but they not sloppy on them. You'll be surprised how long I had them and not the dollars on them. Need a bitch with a collar on them. I need them tabs on where she at. If I bring them bags and where she rests, and I put that power on her.
5 cents a day because it's certain predator. Quick turn around.
So he's saying this is the second exercise doing these buso
ball.
Let the people know why you use so many of these. Why you use these so much?
Core is about balance. So most important thing you want to do when you work out is have your balance. I know you see people do stuff, they work out, and they stumbling. You got your stomach grab, you got to get some going. You get better pull, better explosiveness. Boom, boom, boom. If you're doing all this,
yeah,
you can get nothing out of it.
You played ball back then, didn't you?
Yeah, I used to.
Football or basketball?
Baseball. Yeah, baseball. But baseball, you hear. Boom.
So you learned that from playing baseball? This is kind of same kind of work?
Yeah. You hear baseball? Boom. You go.
You have balance. You gotta have.
I mean, ship here, ship here.
These niggas can't. These niggas move at a different pace. I don't waiting, I don't stay for nothing. I'm up in Holly creating something. You and your bitch debating something. That's about to be an amazing summer. Told Shorty don't say my number, jump shots off of laying something. You trying to get blazed or something?
We'll see y'all on the next exercise.
Easy work. Lift your own body weight, man. You can go ahead and lift the world, but if you can't do a pull up, pull yourself up out of a situation.
Exactly. Why?
So you have to move and go.
Bitches is begging me to give a that breaking up and making up shit. I had enough. I've been that nigga since cuffs in my jeans. Shorty, I ain't
Alright. About to go to the next exercise. What we getting to next, man?
You know, going to your world, man. I know you like push-ups and crunches and abs and all that stuff. So, you know, come to your world for a little bit, right? So, with this, you want to do it on the push-up ball, or you want to do it with the medicine ball? You know how I do the 4, but I only do the 2. You punch your push-up.
You gonna crunch, you gonna sit up.
So here. Okay. Gotta find a rhythm, so you can't think about it, you're getting into a rhythm. Over and over. Boom, rhythm.
How many are we doing?
Let's start with 10 and see where we go from next.
Core, shoulders, chest.
Boom.
Yeah.
Boom, there we go. There we go, boom. Forward, there we go, come on. Alright, bring the knees up, come on. There we go, come on. There we go, come on. Yeah. We're cooking with fish grease now, baby.
You cut yourself.
Sure, man, yes. You gotta cross the chest with your ribs.
Oh, you can fall, right? Yeah, that's why I never
Route 13, man. One way in, one way out.
Oh, you country. That's why I call him country boy. I ain't never been out there before.
Fish grease now, baby.
Country.
Many plays go song for song with me, these niggas can't. You niggas move at a different pace. I don't waiting, I don't stay for nothing. I'm up in Holly creating something. You and your bitch debating something. That's about to be an amazing summer. Told Shorty don't say my number, jump shots on filleting something. What you trying to get blazed?
Busu, whatever it's called. We're gonna do that 10 times and then we're gonna grab a medicine ball and do another one another 10 times. Get both. I guess we're doing out in the same way.
Yeah, like you gotta stabilize these bad boys. This can't move.
So this one harder.
Yeah.
Alright, okay.
Because this is boom.
Oh, wider so I have more range.
But now it can roll though. Roll.
Bust your head.
Yeah. Exactly.
All this stuff dangerous.
I highly recommend it all.
All his workouts are dangerous. Oh, he's up, boss. I like regular push-ups, regular pull-ups,
man,
regular crunches.
Don't you got 100 burpee challenge?
Yeah. This is regular burpees.
This is nothing.
You know, and a lot of core work.
Yeah.
A lot of core work.
I had it cool.
Not just having abs. You gotta have a strong core
I'm not
for
your
everything.
man, I'm not Giovonni, I'm popping on them, you hopping on the bandwagon. My pants sagging, but they not sloppy on them. You'll be surprised how long I had them and not the dollars on them. Need a with a collar on.
What we doing next? What we doing next, country?
Stay with the push-up. Let's stay with the push-up.
He go off the cuff. See, you can tell he didn't even write this out. He just go off the brain.
With a collar on her. I need them tabs on where she at. If I bring them bags and where she rests, and I put that power on her. Spend about an hour on her, and then I dip set. She blew it.
They arch your push-ups, but harder. You ever do it on the turf? You slide. So the arch your push-ups, and we switch it and move it each time. So you have to hold your core in. I'm feeling
Core work, baby.
Yeah. Basically everything you're doing is straight core work. A little bit of push-up. Y'all can do push-ups, but adding that extra movement and core, it makes it a lot harder.
You do core work, everything you do though. Just tighten it up. You got a 27 pack, you don't got to do all that.
It's not even possible.
Plays go song for song with me, these niggas can't. You niggas move at a different pace. I don't waiting, I don't stay for nothing. I'm up in Holly creating something. You and your debating something. That's about to be an amazing summer. Told Shorty don't say my number, jump shots on filleting something.
You're a big weight guy. You do a lot of flies. Just bring in push-up and flies. Like get that big stretch. Feel good. Feel wonderful.
Total body day, man. Like, come in here, just work everything, man. Touch a little bit of leg, You know, like especially if you're somebody that works all the time, you gotta shock your body. If you don't shock your body, bro, man, you just touch everything, look at the legs, look at the arms. Like I said, body weight. Look at it, sweating, tired, hurting.
Okay.
Body weight.
Functional body weight workout. I'm like, it'll be the first time him on it. Like I said, I'm bringing back the collabs back to the channel. I know a lot of people wanted them. We're bringing them back. So this just one day I won't have with them. Another day I gotta get another, maybe a lifting and calisthenics thing, something like that. We're gonna do some more ones. We're gonna do some more. In the comments, what y'all think about the video, what y'all want to see next.
Like, comment, and share.
Yeah, there you go. Like, comment,
share. So you know how we do 4 push-ups, right? 4 balls, right?
Okay.
You like to do 4, right? You do 5 or 10. And then we'll take one away. Whatever one you want to take away. And then that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take another one away. Like this is some fun you can have at the end of your workout. Just you and your partner get together. Just try something different. Something fun to just challenge your body. If you don't know what you want to try.
Do these workouts at your own discretion. Listen, there's a disclaimer. It's all put in my description. Read all my disclaimers. You do your workouts on your own.
Do it.
Don't put in the comment you did this and you bust your ass. You want to blame us.
Oh yeah, man. No, real talk. Working out is dangerous, man. Like,
so
take your time.
Yeah. Key importance. One of the things he did when he first came in, he stretched. He did all his stretching. He did everything he needed to do. I did my stretching last night, but I'm still limber. You know I get down. But he importance on his stretching and everything. I ain't never seen him injured. He do his thing. He keep on rolling. 5 with 3 and then 5 with just 2. So that's 15.
You want to get the ball before you can roll back. Like here, then you roll it back. Then you start here, here. Boom, here now. Why you want it? There we go.
There we go. Nice.
There we go.
Yeah.
What? Find core. Big. Core. Tighten up.
What's wrong with you? Listen, man.
That's the hardest one right there. Cheating with that foot.
85.
Now remember the ball in the foot. The ball in the foot, you get down and then slide it back. No, too far back. There we go.
Alright.
You want to use the ball. There we go. Flatten out. There you go. There we go. You're rolling.
That's it. Listen, man. That's like 10 minutes. Cut it.
Hey, look, this GOTV baby, I got him back.
This is this what is it, Saturday fun day / mobility.
Saturday fun day, man.
That's all it is. We're showing that, hey, 2 trainers can get together, have some fun, show some new things. Keep doing your same workouts all the time. Most of the time, your body's not gonna change. You gotta give other people to challenge you. You gotta switch it up because they may know some things. I certainly learned some things that I can learn, put it into my own workouts to help my own clients. That's why trainers gotta get together with other trainers.
The first, it ain't gonna be the last.
Always energetic. I appreciate you.
All right, baby.
Of course. I'll see y'all in the next one. Hey, put in the comments what y'all want to see next with this guy, man. We're gonna have some fun this year. See y'all in the next one.
My call is seeing whose day I can make awkward sharks a whole nother conference.